Good day everyone. Today we discuss the brief history of computer. The invention process of computer started around 300 years ago. 3,000 years ago. The computer started out as an abacus. An abacus is a rack made of wood with two wires running parallel to each other. So the abacus is one of the earliest known tools for calculation. The abacus was used as an ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and China. A computer is a machine that manipulates data according to a set of instructions. So here's the timeline of history of computers. So the abacus, calculator, calculating machine, and calculating machine.
The father of computing, Charles Babbage, was English inventor, mathematician, and the 1800s believed to call the Bill machine. In 1827, after convincing the British government to finance his project, the work the years a difference engine. General computing, the history of computer development is often reference to different generation computing device. First generation 1940-1956 vacuum tube. The first computer used vacuum tube is a circulating magnetic drums and memory. Example, UNIVAC, Universal Automotive Computer, ENIAC, Electronic Numerating Generator Computer. That's all.
The second generation is in 1956 to 1963. This is the transistors replace of vacuum tubes and ushers in the second generations of computer. The transistor was invented in 1947 but did not see widespread use in computers until the late 50s. Second generation computers moved from cryptic binary machine language to symbolic or assembly languages which allowed programmers to specify instructions in words. Third generation 1964 to 1971 integrated circuits. These are the examples of the integrated circuits. The development of the integrated circuit was the hallmark of the third generation of computers. This is the example of punch card and printout machine. Fourth generation 1971 present microprocessors. The microprocessors brought the fourth generation of computers. These are the examples of microprocessors. In 1981, IBM introduced its first computer for the home user, and in 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh. Microprocessors also moved into many areas of life as more and more everyday products began to use microprocessors.
Fifth generation present beyond. Artificially intelligent fifth generation computing devices based on artificial intelligence are still in development through there are some applications such as voice recognition that are being used today. Type of computers: personal computers, PC, mainframe. Mainframe computers were large with large hard drives, lots of memory, RAM, multiple CPUs running together. Those lot of computing depending upon the speed of processor use and memories use. Supercomputer, a computer with lots of processor, ALUs, arithmetic logic unit, memory, RAM, etc. usually is scientific research work.